Yeah, so our coconut candy, the coconut candy, you're going for the parfum. And to have a sweet candy, I know the boy. No. By doing this, your candy very sweet. Clockwise. If you do want to, if you do want to clockwise, you not have smooth candy. Don't so go one way. Wow. Come here. Answer a kick up. Aye, don't know wow. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is boy Cooking with Sindaco and I'm back again. Interesting stuff, great things. Today I'm here in Winneba and we're about to do Kube Toffee. No, Kube Toffee, right? So she will be taking us through the process of how to prepare coconut candy. Sister Teresa. So Sister Teresa will be, I told her not to peel off the coconuts, but she has done it already. So this is how it was. And now we have it like this, coconut. Yeah. Hard one. Yeah. Okay. No, okay. Tell me, are you scared?
Nobody's true.
Don't try this at home, pa. So what she's doing is very scary. You need to be careful. Don't try this at home because using the machete and your palm, coconut in your palm is very scary. So please, don't try this at home. Yeah. Okay. So basically, we're cracking. Okay. So we're cracking the coconut to have the food, the white substance. Yeah. That's what we're using for the candy, the coconut candy. Okay, so after cracking the coconut, you need to take off the high substance from the shell. Yeah, so you see, that's why you need a hard coconut. You can't use the soft one to do the candy. So inside the pot we have the liquid from the coconut, and now she's about to grate the white substance, the fruit from the coconut. Yeah. So this is how to prepare coconut candy. This is the process or the steps that you have to take to prepare your candy. Kube Toffee, that's the name that the famous and the popular name that we know, Kube Toffee. Yeah, and every Ghanaian knows this name, Kube Toffee. So Kube is basically coconut. The English name of Kube is coconut, and Toffee is candy. So even Toffee is quite even what do you call it? We use it as English. Toffee candy. Yeah. To make things fast, we are going to blend our coconut because the grater is like we don't have the metal one. It's plastic, and then it's taking much time. So we just put everything, all these coconuts, inside the blender, then we blend them. She's chopping them into pieces, these sizes. Then we blend everything together. So now we have our blended coconuts over here, and we're about to sieve. So we have the sieve and the net.
Yes,
okay. So make sure that you have a proper sieve to sieve it because you don't want any particles under. Okay. sieve and a cloth, a clean cloth, to sieve or to squeeze all the liquid out. This is the remaining particles. Yeah. They both need to be before.
What do you Kube cake?
Kube cake so okay, Kube. Okay. Okay, I'm probably not sure no. Okay, so you can use this for a coconut cake as well. What's excuse me? Okay, so she added a bit of water again to the remainings or the particles, and she wants to squeeze it again because you have to make sure that you have all the liquid from the coconut. Yeah, you have everything now so that you can have enough of the candy or the toffee. One coconut, you can have like 2 or 3 recipes from it. Yeah. And this is our liquid. And this is our liquid. So this is what we'll be using for the coconut candy or Kube Toffee. So we're sieving it again for the second time because we have to make sure that the liquid is very smooth and doesn't contain anything. So the liquid and second sieving inside the bowl. Yeah. So this is our coconut liquid or the juice. So now we have our pot on fire now. It's very hot. We're about to add the sugar. So to prepare the coconut candy, you need to add the sugar to the hot pot. That's what we do now. Yeah, for sure. So you need to melt the sugar. You need to melt the sugar until it turns brown. Yeah, so our coconut candy, the coconut candy, yeah, for the parfum. And as you all know, Chef One, yeah. Oh, Joe. That's a no, okay. Yeah, so if you want candies, just contact me. I'll make you candies, coconut. Yeah. And to have a sweet candy, no, I know the boy no. By doing this, your candy very sweet. This pot is pot size 3. Okay, so now the sugar is melting and it looks brownish yellowish. Yeah. We are adding the coconut juice or liquid into it. Yeah, into bonko. Yeah. What's one called one way? Hey. Wow. Come here. Answer a cake up. Aye, don't know. Wow. Wow, did you just see that? Yeah. This is incredible. Like I've not seen coconut or candy being processed before. The solid sugar that you saw will also melt and it will make everything will mix together with the coconut juice or the liquid and later on then obey. I didn't. Okay. So it seems I'm too curious and was asking questions way ahead. Yeah, so I need to calm down and surely I'll have everything. Yeah, so everything is being melted and we have only liquid. And I was told that when you are stirring, you need to stir one way around. Yeah. Anthony, to go back. So why can't you go back?
That's what we have been taught. So
yeah, so
only one direction will make it possible. Yeah. Make it nice.
In a nutshell, when stirring, you need to stir at one direction. You can't be staring like this and go back. Watch out, more description. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so But you doing other way around. Okay. The same direction. Okay, so she just said that you can stop when you feel tired, but when you want to start again, you same this direction. You can't go back. So if clockwise, you go clockwise. You can't go clockwise and anti-clockwise. No, it will like you spoil it. Yeah. So now we've stopped the stirring and look at this boiling.
Allow it to boil.
Wow.
Can smell the flavor.
Yeah. Coco. Na say ko ba no besi. Okay. Ah, it is you can be obokofom. No man su ana ku bensu.
No man su ya. Ku bensu na kakra na.
No dugum na do reducing no. So you see it's going down. It's going down. Wow. Yeah, so since I'm the senior chef over here, I need to have the experience or witness how the density, how it feels like making coconut candy. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Okay. So as I said, clockwise. If you do want to, if you do want to clockwise, you not have smooth candy. So you see how I'm driving or I'm stirring the hey, quick. So you see how I'm doing it. You can also have the same process and
look at
do
the
it.
paper.
Yeah. So doing this will make the candy sweet. Yeah. Okay, so this will be on fire for a long time because we need to allow the water content in the coconut to drain, so that all the liquid content will go off. And so we need to have time to make coconut candy, and that's a Kube Toffee. Yeah, so as I was saying, if you're a gossiper, if you're a true gossiper, I can't do this candy because the rule says you need to stay at one direction. Maybe you'll be gossiping while doing this and we're going the other way around. So, yeah. Meaning, so if I gossip, I can't do that. Yeah. So you need to have a stable mind to do coconut candy. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. Now, as you can see, it's more brown and and everything has been drained down. Before it was somewhere over here, and now look at the level that it is. Very interesting. Yeah. Okay, so we have our table here. It is being washed and cleaned, yeah, and that's what we'll be rolling our candy. So as you can see now, it's like all the liquid is gone and it's been solidified, yeah. Okay, so it's 9 now. So try.
Yeah.
At least I try. Okay.
Try
It's okay. So your candy is ready. You need to have a try. Okay, so you put a bit of the candy on top of the table and within some minutes. Okay. So when it becomes hard, meaning the candy is like the recipe is okay or the candy is okay. If it doesn't become hard, meaning you need to continue boiling. Okay, so it's been like a minute and it's still soft, meaning the boiling should take place anyway. But they're stirring record. So as you can see, look, our coconut is, the candy is now ready and you can testify for yourself. So we are going to do a different try again with the same process. Okay, so yes, we have it here. So the next minute this should be hard, and since it's on fire, you still need to continue stirring it. If not, as well shake. Yeah. Okay, so now I show. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, unlike before. You see the difference. Look at this one, and look at this one. It's not even sticking. But this sticks. So the coconut candy is ready. So this is an interesting thing that we are doing. And I remember when I was a kid, after doing this, we put water inside the pot. You will stir, and the water will become brown, and we say that we're making tea. And we're about to roll. Yeah, rolling the dice. So you set aside a bit of it. So you can't leave everything together. If not, as soon as it's get hard, you can't roll it. So you divide them. So you roll it. You need to have some oil with you as well. So it's just like doing pizza or bread that you need flour on the table. So same here. Or sometimes when you're lucky, you have oil on the coconut, so that will be enough. But if you don't have enough on the coconut, then you should have an oil on the table. Hello, hey, coconut in the who's telling? Yeah, so our candy is now on the rolling process, and we're in the rolling dice. Can you know why it be slim as a hooster? Means a hooster and so polo do so taquinos, I don't know. But still the same, you know, we are here and yeah, I've just had information that this is the cheapest candy in Ghana because you can have as the lowest price 10 pesos. Yeah. 10 pesos. Yeah, 10 pesos. Yeah, for candy. Yeah. What for them? It's very nice.